Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a simple and effective way to log out of all other Roblox sessions on your Android phone. This helps secure your account by making sure no one else stays logged in. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Next, tap on the More icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. After that, tap on the Security tab to access your account's security options. Now find and tap the option labeled Log Out of All Other Sessions. Finally, confirm your action by clicking Log Out to disconnect all other devices from your account. And that's it. Logging out of other sessions is a quick way to protect your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.